Look, let me tell you about a kid named Steven. He's slowly running out of things to believe in. Every couple of months his mom leaves him for no good reason. His stepdad beats him. Not too many friends, only ever had a few with him. But recently they don't want anything to do with him. Always eating lunch in a bathroom stall. He just wants to feel normal and be cool again. Yeah, always feeling like the outcast. He's been going crazy ever since his dad passed. He needs guidance and advice, but instead he only has breakdowns and flashbacks of the car crash. It's been getting harder every day. If he was still around, everything will be okay. Cause his dad was always the light at the end of the tunnel. But now the same damn tunnel's looking dark and gray. He keeps quiet in the back of the class, and when the bell rings, Steven hurries home fast. He's scared to death the other kids will kick his ass on the long walk home, cause it's happened in the past. So he's getting used to the black eyes and fat lips, but all he's got is a fake smile and cut wrists. Wishing he could walk right up to him, show him the scars and say, look, you're the reason that I've done this. And maybe they will finally understand and go back to how it was before it all began. But he's just a little different, so they taunt him and they beat him. Yeah, it's all just fun and games, they don't give a damn. Yeah, his older brother ain't around, in and out of jail, hanging with the wrong crowd. He's been doing coke, smoking weed, getting drunk all his life. He's ashamed, no he's not too proud. Now his habits are rubbing off on his little bro. Yeah, but guess what, little did he know that every time he did a line, every time he lit a joint, every time he took a shot, he would set the mode. So Steven's sitting in his room getting high now, doors locked.